Hi, this is Nathan Wynn from A Nomadic. Today I will share with you a very cool formula. This formula can look through a column or a list of items and return the occurrences of a string of text. The scenario is that we send out a form to manager to tell us the recruitment barriers that they have been experiencing. We have 6 choices here, and they can select other and put in additional barriers. Remember, this is not a single response. It can be multiple. All 6 can be selected and more. And so here we have the 6 choices up there in text. And our goal is to look through this list here to find the number of occurrences. So this table here, if we do Control A, we know that the table name is table underscore data. And we have only one column for this demo purpose. So first we have to count the number of submission. In our submission, we do count A, the table name, and the column name, right, enclosed by the square brackets, and we have 101. In here, we have this formula. I do a screenshot on the pay disparity, so I select the second one here. It's simply do a sum length of the column, and then we substitute that column with the text that we are trying to look for with double quotation. Can I replicate it every time? Yes, I can. Because all you need to do is replace this column here with your range and substitute that with the text that you are looking for. Let me prove it to you that there are 27 pay disparity in this 101 submission. I filter by that. Click OK. Down here you see that 27 of 101 record found. We can validate this by using the subtotal. Choose 3 for count A and then reference the table and then the column. Close it. 27. If you would like to have this working file, click the link in the description. It will take you to my Etsy store with a cost of just $1 or something. I'll send you the file. It's not even half the cost of a coffee, but I hope you will support me so that we have more of this working sample for you. Looking forward to the next video with you. Take care. Bye bye.